Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. I am so excited because we're talking delicious dishes or desserts during the summer. And my friend Alicia is here to help us make what?
We're making unapologetic tiramisu.
Tell everybody how you made it.
So it's really quite easy. We make a very traditional Italian version, which is whipped egg yolks with sugar. We whip it till it's nice and fluffy white. Then we actually whip egg whites until they're stiff, fold them together, and once combined, they make this really great cream.
Yes.
We next moved on to dipping our lady fingers in unapologetic coffee,
Of course.
So we use our coffee that we make and roast in-house, and we have actually flavored it with a little bit of almond extract.
Okay.
And we layer the lady fingers and layer with a layer of cream, and then we add a sprinkle of shaved chocolate, which is our secret, and we do another layer and we dust it with cocoa.
Oh, it sounds so good. And then once it's done, you put it in the fridge, right?
We do. I recommend at least 4 to 5 hours, but overnight is best.
Oh,
yes.
well, I'll tell you what's best. Oh my gosh, this is so good.
It is.
Tell everybody why you chose this dish.
This is one of my favorite dishes to make because it's so easy to make. It's a summer dish. It's a winter dish. It doesn't use a lot of sugar, and part of it is reducing our amount of sugar we're taking in.
Yeah.
But then also, this is my favorite thing, coffee.
Yes, and then tell everybody really quick where you're located.
We're located right now at Main and Utica.
Yeah.
Expanding, going to 899 Main Street this summer with our second location, moving our cafe there. We do all of our manufacturing, shipping, distribution right here in the city of Buffalo.
Let me tell you, if you don't try this recipe, I don't know what to tell you because it is amazing. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this delicious tiramisu recipe, unapologetic coffee tiramisu
Yes.
recipe.
Cheers.